Sorry, Mooji. You scared of the vacuum cleaner? I'm sorry. Next time we turn on the vacuum cleaner when you're far away, okay? Alright? You take care, okay? Okay, Mooji. Mooji. Come on. Look.